Hello, my name is Jeff Woodman and I'm a systems engineer with VIAVI Solutions. Today's video is going to be another in a series dedicated to the UltraFED 2B far end device and how we can use it today to send tone. So very simply what I'm going to do is access the copper test, and I'll go in and down at the bottom you'll see the icon for the UltraFED control. So I'll select that. And we've got various options here of different things that the UltraFED can do for us. Today, we've got two different tone selections available to us in the menu. There's a single tone there in the middle, and off to the right, it looks like a couple of music notes. We've got a trace tone. They're so very simple that, or similar, that I'm going to just cover the single tone today and how to set it up. Trace tone is very much like an installer's tone. It sends a 577 hertz precision tone that most techs use to send down a cable pair to identify whether or not it's open or if it's getting to where it needs to go, and they pick up the tone at the far end with a probe or with their butt set itself. So very simple, everybody knows how to use it, same function. So if I go into single tone, make that selection, comes up with pair 1, pair 2, how we're going to terminate. 100 ohm termination would be very similar to what our D-slams are terminated at. In this case, we're just going to do pots. And so we're going to go over to a 600 ohm termination, which is just like an old 500 or 2500 set at the Prem. 600 ohm termination. Frequency is preset at 1004 hertz, and we're into pots. Off to the right of that, you can see the range of frequencies. We can go down to 200 hertz or all the way to 30 kilohertz. So very broadband spectrum here as far as our capability on how high up we can send these tones. The little bar graph down below with the negative positive is how long do we want the tone to be on. And again, we can actually control. If we've set it too long, we pick up our tone and it's still sending, we can shut that down. So we can manually control that. So once it's been set up, we simply hit the send bar down there, and it's going to go off using Dtmf tones, as if we've heard if you've been on any of the previous videos, to wake up the UltraFED. And I can see in this case, because I've got it in my room here on a test box, that it's waking up and getting ready to send that 1004 hertz tone. You can see the icon on the top that it is sending a single tone, the tone that we've selected. The timer is starting to count down, and we've got a pair 1 is 600 ohm termination with the frequency there. So anyway, it's being sent. We can actually go out there and listen for it. We can pick it up. We can do different things with it. But that's pretty much it. It's that simple to use. And again, the trace tone is very similar. So anyway, once we're done with that, all we have to do, if it's still counting, is touch the cancel down there in the bottom right, and it will actually turn the UltraFED off, so we don't waste any battery. So anyway, I hope that was beneficial. Stand by for some more relating to the UltraFED 2B. Thanks very much.